Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dhadwal chemistry lessons. Our topic for today is some important questions, objective type questions from the D and F block elements, lesson 7 of your book. So let's begin. How many elements are present in 3D series of elements? As a D subshell has 10 electrons, maximum 10 electrons can be filled. So elements also will be 10 in number. Name a transition metal that does not exhibit variable oxidation state. So that element will be scandium, atomic number 21. So the electronic configuration is argon 18, then 3d1 and 4s2. So these 3 electrons are lost. So no other oxidation state will be shown by it. What is the common oxidation state of copper, silver and gold? The common oxidation state should be, when one electron is lost, should be +1. Name a member of lanthanide series that is well known to exhibit +4 oxidation state. So the first member, cerium, has the atomic number 58 and configuration xenon 54, 4f2, 4s2. All these 4 electrons are lost. So cerium is the element that is showing +4 oxidation state. What is the oxidation state of manganese and potassium permanganate? So +1 minus 4 into -2. This is -7. So this is +7. So the oxidation state of manganese will be +7. Which is the last element of the series of actinoids? Answer is lawrencium. Which of the two exhibits larger number of oxidation states? It's actinoids. Name an important alloy which contains some of the lanthanoid metals. So mish metal contains lanthanoid metals. How does stability of complex change as the size of lanthanoid decreases? It increases, stability increases. Which element has lowest enthalpy of atomization in 3D series of transition elements? So zinc has lowest enthalpy of atomization as it is fully filled. What is the maximum oxidation state exhibited by actinoids? So it is +7. Then which trivalent ion has maximum size in the lanthanoid series? So first element will be having the maximum size, because as we go along towards the right in the lanthanoid series, the size decreases due to lanthanide contraction. Which magnetic behavior is generally exhibited by transition metals? So as they have half filled, so it's paramagnetic behavior. Write the formula of oxoanion of manganese in which it shows the oxidation state same as the group number. So manganese belongs to group number 7, and in permanganate ion the oxidation state is +7. So this is the formula, MnO4 negative. What creates special problems in the study of actinoids? We cannot study them, actinoids, because most of the elements are radioactive and show radioactivity. Name an element which has full D10 configuration in ground state as well as its common oxidation state. So it's zinc, having full D configuration, 10 configuration. What is the most common oxidation state of lanthanoids? It's +3. What percentage of lanthanoid metal is present in mish metal? About 95%. What are the elements belonging to D block of periodic table commonly known as? They are known as transition elements. Name the only radioactive lanthanoid. It is promethium. What is the maximum oxidation state shown by osmium? It is +8. Which transition metal is used as catalyst in the manufacture of vegetable ghee? It is nickel. When oils containing many double bonds are hydrogenated in presence of nickel metal, ghee is prepared. Name the most commonly used lanthanoid. Answer is cerium. Third transition involve the filling of which subshell? So first is 3D, second is 4D, so third is 5D. In which oxidation state copper is regarded as a transition element in +2 oxidation state? Its configuration is 3D10 4s1 ground state configuration. So it has partially filled d orbital when one electron from d will also move away. So 1 + 1 2, so +2 oxidation state. Manganese and chromium, which element shows higher number of oxidation states? Manganese, because manganese has 3d5 4s2, so it can show till 7, whereas chromium has 3d5 4s1, so it can show till 6. So manganese show higher oxidation number of oxidation states. Which transition metal is used for making analytical weights? It's tantalum. Which transitions are responsible for color of transition metal ions? D transitions. When they form complexes, the d orbitals they can split into a set of 2. So the lower placed d orbitals, the electrons in the lower placed orbitals jump to the higher. So the transition is from d to d, dd transition. In which block of periodic table inner transition elements belong? So it's F block. Name the effect responsible for similar value of atomic radii of second and third transition series. It's lanthanoid contraction. Then, by what name d block elements are known? It is transition elements. Which group of elements are called d block elements in modern periodic table? So from 3 to 12 groups. Which of the following does not considered as transition element? So we have cadmium, it has fully filled d orbital, so it is not a transition element. Other have partially filled d orbitals. Which of following is a transition element? So gold is a transition element. Mercury, zinc and cadmium have fully filled d orbitals. Which of the following is general electronic configuration of d block elements? So it is n-1, d 1 to 10 and ns 0 to 2. This is the correct answer. Which of the following is an electron configuration of chromium? Chromium 24 is 3d5 4s1, so option B. Which of the following is an electronic configuration of copper? It's 3d10 4s1, so 3d10 4s1, so option D is the correct answer. What is the color of aqueous solution of nickel hexa aqua ion? So it's green. Then next question, which of the following statement is wrong? D block elements belong to group 3 to 12 is correct. All transition elements are metal is correct. All elements of D block are transition elements is not correct, because zinc, cadmium and mercury are D block elements but not transition elements. Which general symbol is used to represent lanthanoids? It's Ln. Then what is the symbol of lanthanum? It's La. Then which of the following pairs has the same size? Option A is the correct answer. Zirconium 4 positive and hafnium 4 positive, they have the same size. Which catalyst is used to prepare sulfur trioxide from sulfur dioxide in contact process in the production of sulfuric acid? So it is vanadium pentaoxide, option B. Then what is the oxidation number of chromium? So this is +1 into 2 plus 2 and 7 into -2 minus 14. So +12 divided by 2 is +6. So option C is the correct answer. Which of the following ion cannot show transition? It's titanium 4 positive, because after giving 4 electrons, it has the noble gas configuration. So there is no electron left to show transition. What is the shape of permanganate ion, it's tetrahedral. Where is potassium dichromate used? It's used in leather industry. The potassium permanganate is used as a bleaching agent in textile industry. Which of the following elements are included in actinoids? So it's thorium to lawrencium. Then what is the general electronic configuration of outer shell of F block elements? So it is N-2, F1 to 14, N-1, D0 to 1, and NS2. So option A is the correct answer. Lanthanoid elements are separated on the basis of difference in basicity. Which of the following is the radioactive element among all lanthanoids? So we have promethium. It is the radioactive element in all lanthanoids. Lanthanoid contraction is caused due to poor shielding effect offered by 4f electrons. There is a greater range of oxidation states in actinoids as compared to lanthanoids due to there is small energy gap between 5f, 60 and 7s orbitals, so greater oxidation state. And in dash elements, atomic volume decreases with increase in atomic number. So the answer is F block elements contraction occurs. So that's all in today's video. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.